In this problem, we'll solve a quadratic equation. We'll solve 48 equals t squared plus 2t. We have a quadratic equation that has in this case, a t squared term and a t term. We want to get 0 on one side of the equation. We do this by subtracting 48 from both sides. This gives us 0 equals t squared plus 2t minus 48. And then we see if we can factor. In this case, we can because there are two numbers whose product is negative 48 and whose sum is 2. Those numbers are 8 and negative 6. So I write 0 equals t plus 8 times t minus 6. Because t plus 8 times t minus 6 is 0, we use the principle of zero products and write that t plus 8 equals 0 or t minus 6 equals 0. Solving this equation for t by subtracting 8 on both sides, I get t equals negative 8. Or, solving this equation for t by adding 6 on both sides, I get t equals 6. Both of these numbers will check in the original equation, so I write the solutions are negative 8 and 6.